Hi Belvina, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great. Today we're going to go through two exercises, one for your upper body and one for your lower body. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Awesome. We're going to start with the squat for your lower body.
Okay.
I'm going to start by demonstrating the squat, and before we start, this is an exercise that works mainly your quadriceps, your glutes, and your hamstrings. However, other muscles are also included, such as your abdominals to stabilize your core, the erector spinae of your back, your calves. A couple things you want to focus on during the squat is to make sure that you keep your chest upright and your thighs parallel to the floor, that you push into the floor with your heels, and that you're standing with your feet shoulder width apart. You also want to make sure that you're inhaling on the way down during the eccentric phase, and then exhaling when you're doing the work on the way up throughout the concentric phase. And we're going to be going through at a 2-1-2 tempo, which I'm going to demonstrate for you.
Okay.
So I'm going to take 2 seconds on the way down and then 2 seconds on the way up, keeping my chest upright and pushing my heels through the floor, making sure I'm moving through the whole range of motion of the movement.
Okay.
Do you feel comfortable giving this a try?
I think so.
Awesome. All right, great first attempt. If it's okay with you, I'm going to give you a couple cues to focus on. So I'd like you to make sure you're keeping your chest upright and that your thighs are parallel with the floor throughout the movement, just like this.
Okay.
All right, and if you want to try again. Much better, that's great. All right, so now if we want to make it more difficult, there's a couple things we can do. The first thing we're going to do is what's called a goblet squat with ideally a dumbbell, but today we're going to be using a water jug. So it's the exact same thing. You're going to hold it close to your chest, however is comfortable. I like to cross it over and then drive through your heels through the floor.
Okay.
Great job. And then the last way that we're going to progress this today is with a barbell. So the barbell is going to go over your shoulders. You want to make sure the weight is even on each side. And then same thing, chest up, thighs parallel, and shoulder width apart feet.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, how do you feel about the lower body exercise?
Great.
All right, we're going to move on to the upper body exercise, which is the push-up.
Okay.
So the push-up works your deltoids, your pectoralis, your triceps, as well as your core to make sure that you're stabilizing throughout the whole entire movement. I'm going to start by demonstrating, and you want to make sure you're breathing in on your way down through the eccentric and exhaling on the way up and moving through the whole range of motion. So you want to get your chest as close to the ground as possible.
Cool.
All right, and if you would like to try, really push through your hands and keeping your shoulders. Awesome, great try. Now, on your second try, if you don't mind, just keeping your neck in line with your body. That way we could draw a straight line right across.
Okay.
And then keeping your hips parallel with the floor.
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right, and then a couple ways that we could progress this was if we would take our plate, if you don't mind holding that.
Okay.
And you could put that on my back. And then we could do weighted plate push-ups. Thank you. Or as well, we could also do push-ups on our feet. And would you like to give those a try?
Sure, I'll give it a try.
So first we'll do the plate push-up. Great form. And then on your feet, keeping your hips parallel. Awesome. Do you have any questions about the push-up?
I think I'm good.
All right. Thanks for participating today.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.